Good afternoon, class. How is everyone today? Very good. I'm good as well. Today we're going to be talking about jobs. Can anyone tell me what a job is? Yes, you? Yes, very good. A job is something that you do to earn money. So today we're going to talk about different types of jobs and the places where people work. But before we begin, can anyone tell me what they want to be when they grow up? Yes, don't be shy, yes. A policeman, very good. Anyone else? Yes, you? You want to be the host of Infinity Challenge? Oh, really? Do you think I would do well on the Infinity Challenge? I'm too old. Oh, okay. One more yes back there. You want to be a business person. Very good. Well, these are all very good types of jobs. And before we begin our activities from the book for the day, I would like to go over a few different types of jobs. And so the first job is, this person is cooking. It looks like they're making a soup. There's an onion, a piece of lettuce. Can anyone tell me what this person does? Yes, you. Very good. This person is a chef. A chef's job is to cook food. Can anyone tell me what this person does? What is this person's job? Yes, you? Very good. This person is a scientist. And how about this one? Can anyone tell me about this one? Yes, you? Excellent. This person is a pilot. Their job is to fly planes. And I have one last example for you guys. Can anyone tell me what this woman does for a living? Yes, you? Ooh, almost. This person is not a doctor. A doctor works with humans, but that's very, very close, yes. Any other guesses? No? This person is a vet. They're sort of like a doctor for animals, but we just have a different word for doctors who work on humans and doctors who work on animals. And doctors who work on animals are called vets. And so, can anyone tell me what the first picture in the upper left-hand corner is? Yes, back there. Very good. The picture in the upper left-hand corner is a chef. How about this picture right here? Yes? Very good. This picture is a picture of a pilot. How about this picture? This one's a little bit tricky. Yes? Yes, this is a picture of a vet. And finally, the one in the upper right-hand corner. Yes? Yes, this is a picture of a scientist. Very good. Now, since there are so many different types of jobs, we need to know the different types of places where people work. And so each of these pictures is associated with a different location. And so, can anyone tell me where a chef would work? Yes? Can you repeat that? Yes. The chef works in a restaurant? Very good. How about, can anyone tell me where a pilot would work? Remember, pilots fly airplanes. Where do you see a lot of airplanes? Yes, very good. The pilot works at an airport. Okay? The picture of the vet, where would a vet work? Remember, they are a lot like doctors, except they work with animals rather than people. Very good. A vet works at an animal hospital. And finally, can anyone tell me with the top picture where a scientist would work? Yeah? Yeah? Yep. Scientists would work in a lab. Now, today, in our activity books, we're going to be working in pairs, and our goal is to work on verbal communication. Okay? And so if everyone could open up their activity books to page 14, it should look like this. Okay? And you and the person sitting next to you are to complete activity A on page 14, and then on page 15, activities B and C. Okay? And so, your job with your partner is to match up the correct picture with the corresponding word. Okay? And after you and your partner have completed all three activities, activities A, B, and C, we will go over them as a class. Okay? Okay, class. Is everyone done with the activities? Has everyone completed the activities with their partner? Yes? Very good. Okay, for activity A, what type of job goes with person 1? Yes? You too? Very good. Picture number 1 is a picture of a doctor. Okay, so we've completed activity A. Do any of you know, do any of your parents work as one of these people, or do you know people who work as a doctor, or a pilot, or a police officer, or a teacher? Like me, you all know me, right? Okay. Yes. Your dad is a police officer. Oh, very good. Okay, activity B focuses on the places people work, so it's sort of like this activity right here. Did any of you have any trouble with any of the places? Yes? You guys couldn't get number 4? Okay. There are a lot of students in this building, in this type of building. It's where a teacher would work. Very good, it's a school. Number 4 is a school. Okay. And our final activity, activity C, is what do people do while they're working? So your task was to determine what tasks people complete during their job. Okay? And so can anyone tell me what the answer to number 3 is? Yes, up front. Very good. Number 3 is a picture of a police officer, and a police officer's job is to catch thieves and criminals. Yes, very good. Okay. So class, today we have covered the different types of jobs and where people work. Um, does anyone have any last questions? Is there anything that, a word that you don't know, or that that you and your partner were struggling with today? Yes? Vet. Yes, vet is a tricky one. The key to remembering the difference between a vet and a doctor is that a doctor works with people and a vet works with animals. Right. Okay. For your homework, I would like you to complete activities A and B on page 16. These are the questions that you would ask people when you're asking them what they would do, what they do for a job. And you're also asking where, actually we'll do, and then activity C is where people work. So it's activities A, B, and C, right? And it'll give us practice with asking people about their jobs and where they work. And tomorrow, we'll have a speaking exercise based off of these activities in the book. Alright, so before you go, what are your homework activities? Yes. A, B, and C. Very good. Have a good night, class. See you tomorrow.